Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the sweep blend command. For that purpose, firstly click on the sweep blend, then click on the datum, click on the sketch, select the plane, go to the sketch. In sweep blend command, we are going to blend two different cross sections. So for that purpose, firstly we will need the profile. So in first case, we will draw the profile for the two different cross sections. So let us take a random profile with the help of spline. I have taken this profile. Click on the OK. Then we have to draw the two different sections to this profile. First at this point and second at this point. So for that purpose, resume the previously posed tool. Then here we have to go for the sections. In the sections, click on the first section, go to the sketch. You can see here the two axes. So for this pink color axis, we have to draw the first cross section. So we will draw the first cross section as a circle. Take a radius as 150. Click on OK. The profile must be closed profile. Then we have to draw the second section. This second section we have to draw at this point. This first section is perpendicular to this profile. So we will draw the second section. So for that purpose, click on the insert, select second section, go to the sketch. Then you will directly transfer to the second axis. So in this case, we will draw the another circle with bigger dimension. So in this case, we will take the dimension as 300. Click on OK. Here you can see the variable cross sections are getting blended with the help of blend command. So these are the same cross section. Then what about two different cross sections? So for that case, we will modify the second section as a square. So second section, go to the sketch. We will modify it to the rectangle. So here I have taken the center rectangle command. Dimension 200 by 200. Click on OK. Here you can see there is no blending option available with us. So for that purpose, two different cross sections are there. Then we have to divide the cross sections. So in this case, there are four corners. So we have to divide this circle into four corners. So we will modify the first section. Then go to the first section, go to the sketch, and divide this circle into four parts. So here we have the divide option. With the help of divide option, divide this circle in four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here we have provided the contours to the 4 points of the square. So you can see here all 4 points of the square are getting blended with these 4 points of the circle. So that's why the sweep blend command is executed. You can start the sections with different rotations. So in this case, the different rotation is starting from 0. Suppose it is 10 degree. Then you can see the orientation to the 10 degree. Again you can see the orientation to the 30 degree. Here you can see the orientation to the 30 degree. But in our case, we require the orientation to the 0. So this is the 0 degree orientation. Then the tangency options are there. For the start sections, here we have taken the free tangent, so you can take normal also. For the end section also you can take the normal. In options we can control the blend by setting the parameters. We can check the cross sectional area control for the section 1 and section 2. So click on the OK. In this way we can use the sweep blend command with the help of profile for the two different cross sections.